She's home.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Please hope everything is ready.
Yes, everything is ready.
What about the people I requested
Yes,
for?
they are here, sir.
Please can you show me?
This is mobile right here.
The modernization.
This is Ashake.
Mr. Money right now.
Allah Haji.
Wait a minute.
He's okay.
Yes, sir.
There's nothing wrong with him.
No, he's fine. He's fine.
Why is he dancing?
I wonder.
That's how he behaves. All is well.
Are you whining yourself?
Please, you know this is the first time I'm inviting a girl to my house. So I want everything to be perfect.
Yes, sir.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Don't worry. What about the money boutique now?
Yeah, it is here, sir.
Hey, go and collect it.
Just they play. They play.
Well done.
Don't beg him again.
Okay. So she said she'll be here in the next 30
Yes,
minutes.
sir.
Okay, let's wait for her, please.
2 hours later.
You go cry.
Hey, listen. Are you?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Manager, how you be now? You say we go there for just 1 hour. We need to pay for 1 hour. Now this is so applause. We get what they go now. How you go be now?
Sorry, please. Let me just talk to my boss, please. Just give me 1 minute. Let me talk to my boss.
Oh yeah now.
Please. Sir. They're already saying they want to go. They are.
I know now.
You know they will pay extra. They are complaining already.
After all, they're not even real celebrities, they're the fake one. Let me call her.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Hello?
I've sent you the money for transport already now. Where are you?
Sorry, I lost all contact. Who is this?
This guy will be taking no. Where is he from?
It's from them, sir.